In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Klarna account. Whether you're a new user trying to get started or someone who's recently encountered verification issues, this guide will help you smoothly navigate the process. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to launch the Klarna app on your mobile device, or if you prefer, head over to Klarna's website at klarna.com. Once you've reached the login page, enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in, look for your profile icon or the settings menu. This is usually where you can find personal and account information. Once in the profile or settings section, keep an eye out for the option labeled Verify Identity or Account Verification. This is where you will initiate the verification process, which is essential for making transactions with Klarna. It's important to ensure all the personal details listed, such as your name, date of birth, and address, are completely accurate and up to date. Any discrepancies here could potentially delay the verification process, so double check everything to avoid any hiccups. After confirming your information is correct, it's time to select your preferred verification method. Typically, Klarna provides several options. You may be able to verify your identity through your phone number, by uploading an ID, or by linking your bank account. Each method is secure, but choose the one that you find most convenient and straightforward. If you're opting to verify your account using an ID, you'll need to upload a clear photograph of the document. Make sure the photo is well lit and all details are legible. In some cases, Klarna might also request a quick selfie. This additional step helps them ensure that it's really you completing the verification. Once you've submitted your details, all that's left is a bit of patience. The review process typically takes anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on current processing times and the method you used. Keep an eye on any notifications in the app or website, as these will indicate the status of your verification. One important thing to note is that Klarna services are region-specific. They're available in places like the United States, the United Kingdom, and some parts of Europe. If you find you're unable to sign up or complete the verification process, it may simply be that Klarna has not yet expanded to your country. In such cases, there isn't much that can be done until Klarna broadens its service area. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to verifying your Klarna account. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, Klarna's customer service is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.